We got fantastic fan. It's not fantastic anymore. It doesn't want to open. This mechanism doesn't hold. So we are going to swap it. Pretty much inside it's look like a spiral. Or I think the teeth went out on this because constant vibration and moving up and down and wind kinda playing with it with a little lid. I mean, it's been doing good for 4 years to me, and I've been constantly on the roads. So first we want to remove this little mesh, like from mosquitoes net. It's out. This popsicle. Now we went ahead and took all the screws off. Oop. One more. Gently, please, very gently. Oh, here we go, here's the mechanism. Okay, we got a little longer screwdriver. I was in Florida one time, it was pretty hot, and all of a sudden my fan jammed, something hit the fan, and it stopped working. I was like, what is that? And I looked carefully, and it was a big frog jumped from the roof into here and got jammed between this wall and this, like a side of the fan. Got jammed, so I turn off, I don't want to blow a fuse. Climb on the roof, got like a nose pliers, and there we go, and free the frog. He went away. I see what's going on. The teeth is out. Putting everything back. Love it. So pretty much you are all done. Please like, subscribe and all that. Oh boy, this thing took severe punishment. I'm pretty sure I can fix it. Just kind of smash a little bit from both of the sides. Align this pin. And yeah, she's good to go. I'm gonna have it as a spare. They even gave me extra screws. This is the part number.